Good morning. Today we're driving this 2008 Smart Car Passion. 96,000 miles on it. I would describe this as an excellent running mild project car in that the ABS does not work. Apparently it's a fairly simple fix, but you do have to replace some parts, so it does have a brake warning light on, but the brakes function normally, other than the fact they do not have ABS. It's quite the powerhouse, as you can feel. But it does have that go-kart like handling. Ride's quite good. Lots of interior room for people. You can fit a couple bags of groceries in the back, duffel bag, but I mean it's a tiny car, very tiny. There's no way around that. But as something fun and around town, like runabout, this would be an excellent choice. So thank you for looking and happy bidding. And if this is the sort of thing you're looking for, this is a great example of it. Take care. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Yep.